it's Sherri from A Quilting Life, and I'm here today to share the contents of the 2024 Jolly Box from Fat Quarter Shop. So spoiler alert, if you don't want to see the contents, stop watching now. But I think all the boxes have been shipped, and so they should have arrived at their destinations. There might still be a few boxes available, and even if not, there's some great products in here. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, let's go ahead and open up this year's box. 2024 limited edition Holly and Jolly is the theme, the Fat Quarter Shop exclusive. Okay, the first item is an exclusive Snowman Social. Just a cute little melamine tray, so like a plastic, super cute. It will be fun to have. You could use it anywhere. You don't have to use it in your sewing room. It would be cute for the sewing room, but you could use it in your kitchen or anywhere. This is what I'm super excited about. 12 fat quarters of the On Dasher collection from Sweetwater for Moda Fabrics. This is a darling kind of whimsical Christmas collection. I'm just gonna like flip through these. I'm already thinking about what should I make with these. They're so cute. A little reindeer. 12 fat quarters, you can do a pretty nice size project. And there's quite a variety. And this, I feel like, goes with a lot of the previous Sweetwater collections that they've done for Christmas too. So if you have any of those, these colors are just so similar and they'll just mix in. And I love the addition of kind of the light blue there. So that's On Dasher, and it's available now from Moda, and Sweetwater is a designer. Okay, I was super excited when I saw these because I never have enough labels for my packages, and these are just stick-on labels, and super excited for these Jolly Good gift tags. There is also an exclusive pattern, the Snowman Society, that does use these fabrics. You can see how the different fat quarters are used as the backgrounds for the snowmen, and then also the scarves. It's super cute. This is a 54.5 inch by 74.5 inch quilt, so it's a really good size quilt that you can make with these 12 fat quarters. You will need background fabric and of course the binding and backing. This is the little card that talks about everything that's included. Also, don't forget, when you get your boxes, there is always a discount code on the back of the insert. So be sure to look at that and check out those special offers. Now, I thought this was really good. I thought this is super fun because these are Snowman Society button pack. So if you look, there are orange carrot noses and black button eyes. And you can use those on the snowman, or, you know, any other snowman themed project that you might be making. These are so handy to have. And then I also love that they included this box of thread. So you've got the orange that will perfectly match the carrot noses, and you've got black and you've got a white. And this is a Gutermann little mini pack, and these are 50 weight cotton threads. And they are so cute. I love the size. I love how everything, you know, you can make that. And then you've also got some other fun little notions. It really is a terrific box this year. Well, that's it for the 2024 Jolly Box from Fat Quarter Shop. These are always so much fun. I love getting them each year. And I love, as I mentioned earlier, kind of the versatility of this year's box. If you enjoyed today's video, please share it with a friend, hit the like button, and subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. Thanks so much for stopping by.